Hey, this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today, instead of doing a book, I want to do a book series. What I've got here is one of my favorite set of books. It's the David Gingery Build Your Own Metal Workshop from Scratch. Each one of these small little books is a project which builds a tool using only hand tools and the tools that you build in the books before. First one, and really the only one that I've actually worked through and completed, is how to build a charcoal foundry using just hand tools. So I've used this book, this stuff in the book, and I have built a furnace in order to melt and cast metals like aluminum, right, pot metal. Once that's done, the next book, and you can see it's kind of dirty because I've been working on it in the shop, is how to build a metal lathe, okay, using hand tools in the charcoal foundry. Then in book 3, you take those tools and the skills that you learned and you build a metal shaper. After that, you build a milling machine, a drill press, a deluxe accessories and a dividing head, which is for your milling machine and your lathe, so you can do stuff like make screws. And then the last book in the series is building a sheet metal brake, right? And you know, to be honest, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and Gingery machines typically don't have a high resale value, but if you think of it as education, then it's worth it, right? All the time you're building skills. I would really love to have a metal lathe, but if I went out and bought one, I've spent some money, but I really don't know what I'm doing. But if I build one, then I know it inside and out. And if I use that to build other tools, you know, by the time I'm done, you know, I might not have the best machine in the world, but I have a set of knowledge, a set of skills that is invaluable. And if you have any interest in that whatsoever, get it and do it. But if you're buying these books for the possibility of a catastrophic, you know, earth-changing event, us maybe being a third world country or so, it might be worthwhile to have, you know, just because they're pretty inexpensive and really nice, pretty good quality. I'll show some of the pictures, but this book was designed for the layman to build things. So there you go. I would wholeheartedly recommend the series, whether or not you have any interest in metalworking or not. Thanks.